What's the meaning of assault? Assault. Assault.
Assault. Assault. Assault refers to a physical attack on someone with the intention of causing harm or fear. It can take various forms, including hitting, kicking, pushing, or even threatening someone with violence. The result of an assault can be severe and long-lasting, both physically and mentally, for the victim. It can cause physical injuries such as bruises, cuts, or broken bones, as well as psychological distress such as anxiety, depression, or post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. In some cases, an assault can even lead to death, making it a serious criminal offense that carries severe legal consequences.